Now we will discuss about how to calculate the follow set. And the first and follow set is used to make entry into the parity parser table. So already we have calculated the first set. You have to check the first set must contain epsilon to calculate the follow sets. Okay. So if the first set contains epsilon, then you can go for the calculating the follow sets. Okay. So before we calculating this follow set, we have to know what are the rules of follow set. Okay. So rule number 1. Okay. If S is the start symbol, suppose we can write like this. If S is the start symbol, then first of X is equal to $. Rule number 1. Whichever is the start symbol of the production, the first of that symbol equal to $. Okay. So if S is the start symbol, then follow of S is equal to $. Okay. In our example, E is the start symbol. Hence the follow of E is equal to $. Rule number 1 is completed. Whichever is the start symbol, follow of that symbol equal to $. Rule number 2. If there exists a production of the form A to alpha, B and beta, if there exists a production of the form A to alpha, B, beta, then everything in first of beta, everything in first of beta except epsilon will be in follow of B. So if there exists a production of the form A to alpha, B, beta, then all the elements, all the value which is present in first of beta except epsilon must be in follow of B. So will be included in follow of B. What is the exact rule? That means if there exists production of this form, that will be A to alpha, B, beta. Calculate the first of beta. All the value which is present in first of beta except epsilon will be in follow of B. Remember that point. Don't make a mistake. Don't make it a follow of A, follow of B. So everything in first of beta will be in a follow of B except epsilon symbol. Later on I will go for that example. Just for that moment, just remember, if there exists a production of the form A to alpha, B, beta, calculate the first set of beta. All the element which is present in first set of beta will be in follow of B, not follow of A. Rule number 3. If there exists, and remember this one, it is associated with those production which does not derive epsilon, in which there will be no epsilon production. We have to take consideration into rule number 2 if there is no transition to epsilon productions. Rule number 3. If there exists a production of the form A to alpha, B or beta or alpha, B, if there exists a production of this form A to alpha, B, beta or alpha, B, where beta derives epsilon, that means beta derive epsilon, or simply you can say that first of beta derive epsilon, or epsilon production is associated with those type of productions, then everything in follow of A, you can write here. Everything in follow of A will be in follow of B. Everything in follow of A will be in follow of B. So what exactly the third rule? If those production are associated with epsilon, you can take those one. If it is not associated, we have to go for this one. If it is associated, then we will go for this type of rule. Then everything in follow of A will be in follow of B. How to write everything in follow of A equal to follow of B? It is nothing but the assigning value. So simple thing is that follow of B is equal to follow of A. So follow of B must be equal to follow of A. So it will indicate that everything which is present in follow of A, it should be given to follow of B. Okay. So this is the three rules. Rule number 1, if S is the start symbol, follow of start symbol equal to $. If there exists a production of the form alpha b beta, then first you have to calculate first of beta. All the value which is present in first of beta except epsilon will be in follow of B. And the third one is if there exists a production of the form, either it will be alpha b beta or alpha b, then everything in follow of A will be in follow of B. Okay, so we have to take an example. From that example you can easily clear how to calculate the follow sets. Okay, so just take an example. That example we have already removed the left recursion and left hatching, equal to, for which I have already calculated the first set. So then you can go for the follow set. We have already calculated this. So what is the productions? E to T E dash, E to T dash, E dash to plus T E dash. Okay, then or epsilon, then T to FT dash, T to FT dash, T dash to T to FT dash, then T dash to star FT dash or epsilon, and last one is F2 bracket of E or F2 ID, or you can give a slash over here, you can write these productions. So for those productions we have to calculate the follow set. Okay. Now to calculate this follow set we have to go for these rules. Rule number 1. So the rule number 1 is first of the rule number 1, the follow of the start symbol itself that the follow of the start symbol is equal to $. Rule number 1. Here E is the start symbol. Hence the follow of E equal to $. This is first rule number 1 is which symbol is the start symbol, follow of that symbol equal to $. Simple thing is that. So first rule is completed. Second rule. For the second rule we have to check in which there is no epsilon productions. The right hand side does not contain epsilon productions like this. So we can get like this, or simply you can go for changing like this. Suppose if you check if there is no epsilon production, apply rule number 2. If there will be a epsilon production, then apply rule number 3. Okay, here there will be no production of the epsilon production. Which production is associated with it? There will be no epsilon production. So E to T dash, T to FT dash, and F to bracket of E or ID. These production are not associated with epsilon. T dash is also associated with T dash to epsilon and E dash to epsilon. except these two productions, others are not associated with epsilon production. E is not associated, T is not associated, and F is not associated. So we have to take those three in case of rule number 2. Okay, so simple thing is that just remember, take those production in which there will be no epsilon production in rule number 2. Then all the formulas or all the production we can take in rule number 3 except those conditions. So for rule number 2, take those production in which there is no epsilon transition. So let us consider, I have the first one, E to TE dash. Why I choose this one? This E does not contain epsilon production, hence I have chosen this one. From E there is no epsilon productions. Okay, so let us consider this production by applying rule number 2. It is in the form of A to alpha B beta, this value equal to A. Okay, so let my alpha equal to epsilon, this value equal to B, and this value equal to beta. Okay, alpha value equal to epsilon, Now what is the exactly rule of rule number 2? Simple thing is that if there exists a production A to alpha B beta, or you have to calculate the first of beta, all the element which is present in first of beta except epsilon will be in follow of B. Okay, now here what is the value of alpha? Alpha value equal to epsilon. Okay, B value equal to T, and beta value equal to E dash. So we have to calculate the first of E dash. First of beta means first of E dash. So what is first of E dash? Last part we have already discussed. The first of E dash.
Loss and epsilon.
Okay. Loss and epsilon. Okay. So all the element which is present in first of E dash except the epsilon symbol will be in follow of B. Follow of B equal to T. So now follow of T, follow of B, which is equal to follow of T, all the element except epsilon. So that means equal to only plus. I have removed the epsilon, except epsilon, all the element except epsilon will be in follow of B. B value equal to T here. So this production is completed. Next production is T to FT dash. Similarly, alpha equal to epsilon, B equal to F, and my beta equal to T dash. Good. So I have to find out first of T dash. The first of T dash is nothing but star and epsilon. Okay, so follow of F, don't go for follow of T, left side, it is the F, B, follow of B equal to, what is first of T dash except epsilon? So first of T dash we already calculated star and epsilon, so I have to remove the epsilon, now it is only star. Okay, first of T dash equal to star epsilon, I have to delete the epsilon, only it will remain star. So second production is completed. Third production, F2 bracket of E. Now what is my alpha value? This value equal to A, this value equal to alpha, this value equal to B, this value equal to beta. Okay, now tell me what is the first of beta? What is first of beta means? It is first of right parenthesis. So first of right parenthesis is equal to right parenthesis. Rule number 2 of the first set. First of right parenthesis is equal to right parenthesis. Okay, hence I have to write follow of B. What is value of B here? Capital E. So follow of E equal to right parenthesis. But previously we get follow of E equal to $. Now follow, we get follow of E equal to right parenthesis. So what is the total follow set? You can say that follow of E equal to right parenthesis and dollar. Previously you get dollar, now we get right parenthesis, and the total follow set equal to follow of both the thing, that is right parenthesis and dollar. Okay, so next, all those production is associated with the rule number 2. So rule number 2 is completed. Okay, so simple thing is that how to choose rule number 2. We have to choose those production in which there is no
Sir, F to ID.
transitions. Okay, next one is rule number 3.
Sir, मैं F to ID करी
No, ID is the terminal symbol, not a non-terminal symbol. Okay, ID is right hand side is a terminal symbol only. F to ID. Okay, so you cannot represent in the form of A to alpha, B, beta. Why? At least one non-terminal symbol is required. What is the form? A to alpha, B, beta or not? At least B, alpha, B, beta. So B must be required. At least one non-terminal symbol is required. Okay. Rule number 3. If there exists a production, what is rule number 3? If there exists a production A to alpha, B, beta or alpha, B, then we can go for those type of production. And always remember, if you have already taken, so this rule number 3 can be applicable for all the production. It may contain epsilon, it may not contain epsilon. It go for the rule number 3. So if you already take any production in rule number 2 in the form of A to alpha, B, beta, same production you cannot take over here. This alternate value you can take. It consists of two type of production. If there exists a production of the form alpha, B, beta or alpha, B. If you are already taking the production in the form of alpha, B, beta, same you cannot take in rule number 2. You may go for the alternate values. Okay. Now let us check what is the first production. E to T dash. Why I taken this production? Now from E dash I can get epsilon. So from E dash you can get epsilon. If you replace, then you can get the value of E. I have taken this production as alpha, B, beta in rule number 2. The same cannot be taken over here. You can take alternate value. What is the alternate value? A to alpha, B. So what is the value of alpha? What is the value of A here? A value equal to E. Okay. What is the value of alpha? Alpha value equal to T. What is the value of B? B, it is nothing but E dash. I have represented the equation in the form of A to alpha, B. So what is my rule? Rule number 3 will consist of that everything in follow of A will be in follow of B. Everything in follow of A will be in follow of B. So follow, so is equal to follow of B equal to follow of A. That means follow of B. B means which value? E dash equal to follow of A. A means capital E. Follow of E. So we have already calculated the follow of E equal to right parenthesis and dollar. Now follow of E dash is equal to right parenthesis and dollar. Okay. So according to the rule, you can check if there exists a production of the form A to alpha, B, beta or alpha, B, then everything in follow of A will be in follow of B. So here I have taken that everything in follow of E will be in E dash. So follow of E dash equal to follow of E. Follow of E we are already calculated, right parenthesis and a dollar. So first one is completed. Then we will go for the other productions. So what are the other production is there? The second production is again rule number 3, same rule number 3. Second production is E dash 2 plus T E dash or epsilon. Okay, so let us first, I have to take the plus T dash, then I will go for the epsilon. Okay, so for these productions it will be E dash 2 plus T dash. Now you can write like this. This first value equal to first value equal to A, this value equal to alpha, this value equal to b, and this value equal to beta. Okay, I think it is clear to all of you. So a value a, b, beta. Now, so what is the value of alpha? Alpha equal to plus, b value equal to t, and beta equal to e dash. So what is the rule? So we can check that we have to calculate this follow for t equal to follow of e dash. Okay, follow for t equal to follow for e dash. Now I can write like this: follow for t equal to follow for e dash. Completed. Follow for t equal to follow for t dash. Okay, so what is e dash? Follow for e dash, in the previous step we have calculated right parenthesis and dollar. Right parenthesis and dollar. Okay. Now, so now get follow for t equal to follow for e dash equal to right parenthesis and dollar. Again. So in the previous part we have calculated follow for t equal to rule number 2. You can check rule number 2 here. We have already calculated follow for t equal to plus. Now can I write this value as follow for t equal to plus right parenthesis and dollar. I have more these three things. Previously you get plus, now you get right parenthesis and dollar. Now the total follow set of a t equal to plus dollar and a right parenthesis. Okay, next production equal to e dash is completed, t. Next production equal to t to ft dash. We have already taken this production as a to alpha b beta. We cannot take again. So what is the alternate value? We have to take a to alpha b. Okay, so follow of t dash, follow for t dash equal to follow for t, follow for b equal to follow for a. That means follow for t dash is equal to follow for t. What is the value of a follow for t? You get plus right parenthesis and dollar. Okay, right parenthesis plus and dollar. Now that value will be given to follow for t dash equal to plus right parenthesis and dollar. Okay, completed. Now you can check in it will be follow for t dash. Okay, now you can check over here. Already in the step number 2, rule number 2, we have calculated what is follow for f, follow for e, and follow for e, follow for f. These two are calculated. Follow for e equal to this one. Okay, now it will be, now up to now it will be plus star and a dollar. Next production, it will be t dash to star ft dash. Okay, so this value equal to a, this value equal to alpha, this value equal to b, this value equal to beta. Okay, what is the rule? Follow of f, equal to follow for t, Okay, so what is the value of a follow for t? In the previous step we get follow for t equal to plus right parenthesis and dollar. So it is nothing but plus right parenthesis and dollar. Now you can check in rule number 2, is there any follow set of a t dash? No, follow set of a t dash is not defined over here. So it will be plus dollar and right parenthesis. Completed.
follow of t dash habo.
Follow for t dash. Yes, follow for t dash equal to follow.
Eta b, second t dash.
अरे
So सेटा f ठीक थिला.
हाँ
So सेटा t dash.
wait ठीक अछि. So it will be follow for f equal to like this. Follow for t dash is completed. follow up T, follow up T dash is completed. Follow up F equal to this one. Now, what is the production? Equal to, we get T dash to star FT dash. Okay. Now you get follow up F equal to plus right parenthesis and dollar. Okay, right parenthesis and a dollar. Now in this step you get follow up F. Where we will get follow up F? So what is the value we get follow up F? Equal to star. Now I can merge these two. Pursue the follow up F. Now follow up F equal to plus star right parenthesis and a dollar. Okay. Now this production is completed. What is the last production? Last production equal to F2 bracket of E. We have already represented in the form of already represented in the form of alpha b beta. Can we represent in the form of alpha b or not? Suppose I have take this value equal to alpha. This value cannot be b. Why? B is the terminal symbol. Here it is a terminal. Here is a non-terminal symbol. Here is a terminal symbol. I cannot take enter as a b. I cannot take enter as a b. Okay. Suppose I have to take these two. These two are alpha. Then this is a terminal symbol. It should not be b. Okay. Hence, this production cannot be taken in the form of alpha b. You cannot take this production in the form of alpha b. Suppose this right parenthesis is not there, you can take in the form of alpha b. Since it is a right parenthesis there, after a non-terminal symbol, definitely there should be a terminal symbol. So you cannot apply rule number 3 to this production. Now these are the follow set of the given grammar. So we can check what are the value over here. So let us write all those follow set into a single place. Then there should not be any confusion. So follow up E. Which value get in follow up E? Follow up E equal to dollar and a right parenthesis. So I can write like this, right parenthesis and a dollar. Completed. Follow up E dash. Follow up E dash. What is the value we get in the follow up E dash? Is again the same as, you can check over here what is the follow up E dash. Here the value of a follow up E dash is equal to right parenthesis and dollar. Same, right parenthesis and a dollar. Completed. Follow set is only calculated for the non-terminal symbol. Follow up T. Which value we get in follow up T? Here it will be follow up T, you can check, plus right parenthesis and dollar equal to plus dollar and right parenthesis. Okay, T is completed. Similarly, follow up T dash. Follow up T dash is nothing but here you can get plus right parenthesis and dollar, same, equal to plus right parenthesis and dollar. Then we will go for the last non-terminal symbol left, equal to F. So what is the follow up F you get? Equal to plus star right parenthesis and dollar. Okay, now my follow set is completed. Just remember, calculate the follow set only for the non-terminal symbol. Calculate the first set for both terminal as well as non-terminal symbol. So this is the result of the follow set for the given problem. Okay.